when I need Jack Palmer Hill.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Thursday. I've been back from London for a little over a week. Yeah, a little over a week. On my way to court right now. Not particularly happy because I'm going to court on a case that really should have been resolved ages ago. But I don't know. I will try to take you along today. Probably not going to be very exciting, guys, because my work life, my daily routine, not exciting at all. I have shared that with you guys a number of different times, but you guys still want to see. You guys still want me to vlog, so let's go.
Couple mil, yes, see them in a recall. Different currency, I travel like me at the traffic car. Them say me hype, me I feel off. Them lucky some in a show off. Me no depend but nobody because me have me money. Can't tell me how to spend it.
Child, the boys are out today, you guys. I've already passed like 3 people pulled over on the road. I don't know why they're out this much because it's not the end of the month or the first of the month. I don't know. When did they like really go on those big thingies? Yeah, but they're out a lot. Ugh, a lot. I don't know. How did I know that this is going to be some BS, you guys? It is probably 12 o'clock right now. I'm just leaving that court appearance. I've been on one court appearance for 3 hours. And it's not a trial. It's not an overly complicated issue. 3 hours. 3 hours, you guys. Almost half my damn day is gone already. Oh. Jesus. Oh, I'm going to get the hell out of here. I feel like I need Starbucks. Finally, making my way to the office, you guys. There's no more Rape Alley because we're building behind our building, so I don't have to walk through that creepy little alley anymore. Instead, I have to park my car in here, one of these parking garages, which I find almost equally creepy, especially at night. I don't know. For those of you guys local, I don't know if you remember a few years ago in White Plains where a lady was like shot in the head in one of those parking garages by some random guy. I don't know if it was like a homeless guy or a sick, demented guy, whatever, but I always think about that. You guys know where this is. Elevator Chronicles, you guys. In the elevator on the way up to my office. It's Friday, it's Friday. Gotta keep it Friday. It's Friday, guys. I'm fucking happy. I could not wait for this week to end. Yeah, I got mad shit to do. My office is looking cray. I'm working on a very disturbing case. Okay? Disturbing. So I have to get myself like kind of psyched up to even listen to some of the recordings that I have because it puts me in a completely different space once I hear crap like this. Anyway, I wanted to come in and say hello to you guys. Hello from the world of Cindy. Having my chai latte from Starbucks. All right, what time is it? It's 10:36, you guys. I'm gonna get to work because I'm really trying to leave work early today. I generally work until about 6:30. Hello? Hey. Yeah, will do. Bye. Anyway, guys, you see I pulled for one of my classics, one of my favorites, MAC's Ruby Woo. Can never go wrong. I fucking love this lipstick. I was eating my what do you call it? My pumpkin loaf. Hence why my lipstick is all over the place. Whatever. Y'all still look good. Yeah. Hi, babe. And for the nosy people wanting to see who my man is, see him there. I don't want to have him on video. What's the problem? What about them? I'm not too fast. I want to love people business too much. Come out of my life. Please. Guys, somebody sent me these flowers for my birthday, and when they just came, they were very much kind of like pink. They were meant to be purple because the person knows purple's my favorite color, and so they ordered me purple roses, but they looked very pink when they were fresh. And now that they're on their way out, they actually look purple. Very interesting. But yeah, I love them. They're so pretty. Look at these ones I have over here. These I've had for about a month and a half, and they're going to stay right there. Hey, you guys. So I've got court. Look who's with me. My intern for the day. Where's my bag, Tina? Where are my files? Where? Yeah, so Tina is my intern today. We have a quick appearance here, and then I'm gonna do the usual, drop her off so she can go spend out the water money. Right, Tina?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm telling her she's wearing too many colors. Tina,
I can get away with
how
it.
many different shades of blue
Oh,
is one person gonna wear? For money. All right, guys. Anyway, we're here. I will check back in. Okay. Anyway, guys, just got done with my parents. Tina, how did your friend do?
Oh, she was excellent. Exceptional. I'm so proud of her.
She said
You did good.
She said she wanted to see me in action,
You
you
did
guys.
good. You were great.
Thank you, Mama. See?
I almost cried.
Shut up. She wanted to see me in action, so no, she can't say she never saw me, guys.
Yeah.
She saw me, even though there were people distracting me.
Exactly. She's too hot. She's way too hot.
Oh my God.
The hottest lawyer me seen there. I chew in my girl.
Stop it.
I chew my.
Stop it.
Look at me, so I don't see nobody else hot, so.
Damn, why this guy itch up on me so? Why it look like it itch up on me so? Guys, why is this guy on my ass? Why? I'm not giving me a little space. Go on the next side. No, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. Look at the back of my car. Look at the back of my car, you guys. This is embarrassing. All right. So, wait, some have to pay for cleaning. Anyway, all right, guys, don't judge me. Listen, this is a rug that needs to be returned to Home Goods. That's why it's in the car. This, I don't really know why this is in the car. What's on? Oh my God. Sometimes I keep plastic bags in the car just in case I'm with Miles and Miles do this so I can pick it up. My Apple Watch box. That
And
is
our
my what?
cane. She not left our cane
What my cane there?
in our bag.
Yeah, that's my lunch bag with my cane, you guys. And
We have to carry 100 pound of cane.
yeah, like guys, I truly look bag of cane. The wicked girl can't come to me.
wait.
little bags. Wicked girl. Next time, my girl. Next time you come here. Next time you come here with 3 bags, I came here and leave you at airport. That me I tell you. You're not gonna have nowhere to go. You're gonna find an hotel. You hear me? And guys, and in this bag I have my Baaack to max. So you know when you like amass 6 or more empties, you can return them for a lipstick or a shadow. So that's why I have this, because I need to stop by a Mac store. So it's not that bad. And then I have my gym sneakers, and you know I always have at least 2 or 3 pumps. But don't worry guys, I'm cleaning my car this weekend. It's gonna look much better. Wait. Let's see.
Come on, on the mic.
Look how close the people in park to my man. Ooh. Look how close the people in park. What's your? Are we taking picture?
Yeah.
Alright. I was recording this whole time. And now I'm about to run to a doctor's appointment that I should have had in the morning, but Tina made me oversleep.
That's not true.
It's not why.
You want me to tell them what you are doing night time? You can't go rest.
Tell me what we are doing night time. Talk out.
You want me to talk?
Talk.
If you come off of the phone at night, you will get enough sleep. I ever come off, cut the call a little shorter.
Babe.
She's in love, okay?
Babes, do you,
she's in love.
babe, do you hear this?
She's
Tina
in
is telling me that I need.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
No.
Yes, that's what you're saying. That's what you're saying. Cause if you're telling me to cut my conversation short, that means you don't want me to talk to my man as much as I
Yeah,
talk to
but
my man.
I mean, maybe 5-10 minutes shorter.
No, I can't talk to him.
Well, next time you oversleep, don't blame me. Oh.
Guys, it's not that. You know what it was? I went out with my colleagues last night.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and I was drinking. Whenever I drink, I just, yeah, I'm not.
Your destination is on the right.
I'm not as.
I want some of the food there. I want some more of the food there.
The what?
Wait,
The
you
leftovers, the
carry?
shrimp parmesan.
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Guys, she doesn't want me to include her in the vlogs. Like, nobody, does she not know that nobody escapes my vlogs?
Sure.
Nobody.
Missy, as me come at the airport, you man start videotape me.
Guys,
Should I make me
she
rest?
walking on my house, guys, in her slippers with socks. I never see that. Like, I only see that on the plays with like that girl, that country girl.
When they said drowning man clutch on pan straw, you stay there when call lick by backside. What me for do?
Oh my God! I couldn't believe the woman walking on my house in her slippers and socks. And not just slides, no guys, not slides, like literally
Like, yeah.
tongue slippers where the something
What
goes
you
between your
mean?
toe and she have on socks.
You hear what them dog slippers?
Who does that? Come on, man.
My shame she broke down over the cold man.
My friend, goodie, yes, goodie. Yes, goodie. Watch out, watch out.
They carry on the shoes, they carry on the coat.
Watch out, watch out. Guys,
Cold, man.
we have to bungalow her up, guys, because this girl must be anemic or something.
Oh my
She's so
God.
cold.
I need gloves.
Gloves, oh my God. You're going to be inside all day anyway. You don't need all that because once you start shopping. You came with me here before, right? You came with me here before?
One time.
Morning. Guys, look at Tina's comment. Guys, Tina just came from Jamaica.
Oh.
Tina! Money!
Number one trending gal. Me no dependent gal.